Hey everyone, in short tutorial I'll show you how to delete stickers or sticker packs from the sticker.ly app quickly and easily. So let's get started. First of all, open the sticker.ly app on your phone. Make sure you have signed into your account. Simply download it and simply open it. And simply go to your bottom right, you will see your profile icon and your profile will open. Now then go to my stickers. This show all the sticker pack you have created or saved. You will see all the sticker you have created or saved. As you can see here, these are the sticker you have made till now in the sticker.ly app. Now to delete a sticker pack, simply delete a pack or tap the three dot next to it or long press the pack. Simply you will see the option called delete pack and simply hit delete and all the sticker will deleted. Or you need to remove just one or two stickers, simply hold there and simply you will see the delete option and simply delete it. The pack will be removed from your sticker.ly account. If you have added to the pack to WhatsApp or Telegram, you will need to delete it separately from those apps too. Sticker.ly doesn't remove it automatically. And that's how you delete stickers from sticker.ly. If this helps, be sure to like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have more questions, and I'll see you in the next one.